Okay, we are dealing with areas, okay? So since we are dealing with areas, we'll have to explain what is an area, okay? Now, an area, it is a two-dimension place, okay? Or it's a two-dimensional area, okay? So it looks at the height and it looks at the base, okay? In all the shapes, okay? Now, let's try and explain this one. This one is a square, okay? So since it's a square, we know that here it is side and here it is side. And all the sides are equal. So hence the area for this triangle will be given by what? By side multiplied by side, okay? We are multiplying this side and that side, okay? So hence we can write it as short as s squared. Because the bases are the same, we simply take one and add the exponents, okay? Now the area of this shape is a what, guys? It is a rectangle, okay? So two opposite sides are equal, okay? Now that means what? That means we are going to say look at this one and look at this one. Hence it will be length times width, okay? So that is how we find the area of a rectangle, okay? But whenever we are looking for this one, okay? Now this one, it was a bigger triangle that continues to here, okay? Now, but we had a right angle triangle that is there, okay? Hence we are going to say the area of this triangle is given by what? By half the base times the height, okay? Why do we halve the base? Because the base is not complete. It's supposed to go until it reaches the end, okay? So that's why we are taking half of the base multiplied by what? By the height, okay? So this is how we find the areas of our shapes. We are dealing with areas, okay? So since we are dealing with areas, now let's find the area of this shape. What is the name of this shape? This shape is a rectangle, okay? Now the rectangle has two opposite sides equal, two opposite sides that are equal, okay? Now let's find the area of this one. So we are going to say the area is given by what? By 5 multiplied by 20, okay? Now since it's like this, 5 is this one and 20 is this one, okay? So when we multiply them, we'll have what? 100 meters squared. How did you find the meter squared, okay? So we had here the meter and here we had the meter. So a meter times a meter will be a meter squared, okay? So that is how we find our area for this shape.